It seems like everyone is talking about financial literacy. It's like it's a new buzzword, and there's probably a good reason for that. One study suggests that up to 75% of the Jamaican population are actually ranked amongst the lower classes of earners, while only 1% are amongst the wealthiest set of Jamaicans. Now, this is not a phenomenon that is unique to Jamaica. It happens all over the world. And when you consider the current economic environment, the high cost of housing, rising gas prices, the escalating cost of food, no wonder so many of our teens are considering chopping the line as a financial solution. But there's a better way. You can increase your financial IQ, and that's what the SkyScraper Teens Workshop can do for you. In the financial literacy module, we'll help you to manage your money on a day-to-day basis with a long-term view of your financial future in mind. We'll also help you to understand debt, understand how to invest, and just set up a simple budget. It all starts with the basics. So sign up now for the SkyScraper Teens Workshop, where you can learn all of this and so much more by signing up for the SkyScraper Teens Workshop happening this summer. I hope to see you in the workshop. Remember, registration closes August 5th. See you soon.